Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to remove a Kia Soul battery. Easy method. Start by parking on level ground, engaging the parking brake, and turning off electronics. Open the hood, remove any covers, and identify the negative and positive terminals. Loosen the negative terminal first, then the positive, then unbolt the battery clamp with a 10 mm socket. Lift the battery straight up with gloves and store upright away from metal surfaces. You will want basic tools and safety gear before removing the Kia Soul battery. Use gloves and safety glasses and grab a 10 mm socket or wrench for the terminal nuts and hold down bolt. A carrying strap or a helper makes lifting safer, since batteries are heavy and awkward. Always disconnect the negative terminal first to lower spark risk. Keep the battery upright and away from children or metal objects during storage. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support easy car tutorials. Quick recommendation. The Echo Dot smart speaker makes following step-by-step instructions while working under the hood much easier and more fun. It can play your podcast, set timers for battery maintenance, and answer quick questions without dirtying your phone. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Start with the hood open and clear workspace around the battery. Remove any plastic covers and loosen the negative terminal nut first, then the positive terminal nut to prevent accidental shorting. Unbolt the hold-down clamp with a 10 mm wrench and slide it out of the way. Use a battery strap or two-person lift to remove the battery, setting it on a stable, non-conductive surface. Clean corrosion from terminals before reinstalling.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.